everybody, and thank you for joining another exciting tech video brought to you by the KWU Tech Training Team. My name is CJ Johnson. I'm a training specialist. Now, this video series is called Dive into the Details of DocuSign. And the objective of this video training is to show you how to correct and void envelopes within the DocuSign room, all with the goal of accomplishing you increasing your DocuSign knowledge. As you can see, we are now in our DocuSign room. We're going to first click on the envelope tab at the top where it says envelopes. We'll go ahead and click there. Now, as we're in here, the first thing we're going to talk about is correcting an envelope. So let's paint a picture here. Let's say that we've sent out an envelope, but it has not been signed yet by anyone. So if I click into the envelope here, that's going to help us explain this. We can see that both of these recipients have not signed this yet. So it's still waiting to be completed. Now, if we made a mistake and we need to correct this envelope, maybe there's something in those fields that we need to correct. Maybe it's simply just an email. This is a best case scenario. No one has signed this yet. So we really have free range on what we can edit and correct. So I'm going to go into that correct button there towards the top. We can see as we're in here correcting the envelope, a yellow bar at the top of the screen. That lets us know that we're in the safe zone. So if any of my recipients try to go in and sign this envelope, they won't be allowed to. DocuSign will say, hey, be patient. We're making some corrections for this envelope. So as we go down here, if I need to make a simple adjustment like changing a name, changing the email here, I can do that with no problem, no issues. We're in the safe zone. No one has signed this yet. Best case scenario. Now, if I need to go over to the actual forms and adjust what's in these fields, I'm good there too. No one signed this yet. Like I said, best case scenario for this. So I can go in, I can add more signature fields if I need to, other standard fields. If I need to put in some pre-filled tools, I can do that as well. Let's talk about a different scenario. Let's say that we had one person sign the envelope, but we have 2 or 3 other people that have not signed yet. So if we click into that envelope there, we can see that Tommy Tester, my example buyer here, has signed. There's a green check mark by his name. And then on the right-hand side, we can see the status saying signed and a time and date stamp by it as well. Now, let's say we made a mistake. We realized there's information on that form that's incorrect, either on the DocuSign form or maybe there's some information incorrect on those fields. But we still need other people to sign this form. Now, we don't want someone to sign something that has incorrect information on it, right? So in that case, we'll go ahead and just void out the envelope and send a new one out, okay? So the way we're going to do that is I'm just going to right click over that envelope, and then towards the bottom, we'll see an option that says void. We'll go ahead and click on void. Then it's going to ask us, what is the reason for voiding this envelope? And this is why this is so important to make this a very professional reason, because this is going to be front facing, meaning when I fill out the reason here in this little box, it's going to send out an email to all the recipients that the envelope was supposed to go to, and it's going to show them the reason of why we're voiding out this envelope. So just make sure this is professional because it will be front facing. Now, I'm just going to put an example reason in here. We'll click void, and it's going to void out that envelope there. We can see the red bar over it, a little stop sign there. And then everybody will get that a new email saying why this was voided out, and a new envelope is on the way. Thank you for watching this video. We trust that you're now ready to conquer your business and take it to the next level. If you have any questions for our tech training team, just email us at learncommand@kw.com. And if you would like to attend a live hands-on virtual training, just scan the QR code on the screen and sign up today.